Hope everyone had a great new year. Hope you're ready for a fantastic 2025. All right. So hope you guys are ready for a brand new year, new opportunities in the markets. Okay. So welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Let's take a look at the markets. You guys know we have sell signal across the board, right, in equities. All right. So remember that. All right. So we have a sell signal on the S&P, which is right here. All right. A sell signal came in today. So today we have a sell signal came in today on the NASDAQ. All right. So red candle sell signal here, or white arrow. On the Dow, we have a sell signal. On the Russell IWM small caps, we also have a sell signal. Okay. So just remember, we have sell signals on all the major indexes. So S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, and the Russell, we have sell signals, okay? And the markets were down again today here. Dow was down 154. NASDAQ was down 30. S&P was down 13. IWM was flat. And the VIX, guys, keeps moving higher. Okay, so now it's at almost 18, 17 and change, almost 18. Remember, 20, we need to stay below 20, guys. We need low volatility for the equity markets to move higher. Okay, so we've gone through our Christmas rally, right? Gone through that fourth quarter buy-in. Now we're in January. Expect sellers to come in heavy, but anything can happen. We know that. But based on seasonality, based on these sell signals in equities, we should be out of equities. Okay? All right. Unless you're holding positions and those positions are firm, right, in the trend or your markup phase, then that's fine. And we'll go through some equities that we still following as far as alerts. Okay? All the sectors are down. Okay, so notice all the sectors here are down. Okay, guys. So tech, consumer discretionary, all right, what's that? Home construction, biotech, home builders, materials, all of them are down. Okay, so just be aware of that. Be aware of that. Okay. All right. The dollar, guys, the dollar index made a big move today on a break of this resistance right here. I heard from a few of you that your dollar pairs were moving higher. Good job. Buy signal all the way down here at 102 on the dollar index. Okay. And here it is right now at 109. That's a big move. The only I wouldn't say regret, but the only thing here with the dollar pairs, they're not moving up as smoothly as we would like. Okay, they are moving up, but very choppy, especially on the 60-minute time frame. So just be careful. But overall, dollar index moving up nicely. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Nice move higher here. Okay, as far as our Forex traders, so Monster Forex Tracker, we still have mixed direction here. Volatility is retracing a bit on the daily time frame. All right, on the daily time frame, but still holding firm. On the 240, good volatility, and on the 60, good volatility. So we have buyers here in the yen pairs, guys. Yen pairs here on the daily. Buyers on the dollar in the dollar pairs on the daily. Just be aware of this here. All right. So we've got sellers here on the 240 and here coming in on the 60-minute. Okay. So pairs are still funky. Okay. So just be aware of that. Dollar is shaping up a bit. We got buyers coming in here on the 60-minute time frame, on the 240, and definitely here on the daily time frame. Pound pairs. All right, pound pairs, euro pairs, kind of mixed for right now, which is been the same. Okay. All right. Big picture. We'll go through this quickly. Keep an eye on the Dow, guys, on the weekly time frame. All right, we need to hold this trend line right here, need to hold that moving average. If we break down, we can start getting some white candles that might be in trouble. Monthly time frame is holding fine on the Dow. S&P on the weekly time frame right here. We are right at that trend line. We need to hold, guys. All right, so we'll see what happens next week, okay? On the monthly, holding firm. NASDAQ on the weekly, that's holding firm for now. On the monthly, holding. Look at that nice markup phase here, holding firm. On the Russell, guys, we are breaking down, okay? It's still holding the trend line, but we're getting lower highs, lower lows. Even your white candles here breaking down. Remember, this is where sellers came in before, heavy, okay? So keep an eye on the Russell on the weekly time frame, the IWM. Okay, monthly time frame, same thing here. Retrace, trading below resistance here. Buy signal did come in here on this break of resistance. Now we're trading right here. Just be aware of that. Okay. VIX, like I said, keeps moving higher. The VIX made a low all the way down here at 1280. Now it's at 1792. Remember, 20, guys. That's when if we break above 20, we'll start to see the market really move higher. That's increased volatility. So hopefully it stays down. Okay. On the Magnificent 7 stocks, let's see how they're trading here. Okay. NVIDIA is trying to make a move higher. All right. White candle came in here. Let's remove this. Too much going on here. All right, so we're trading between a tight range here. We can actually move this down a bit right here. All right, NVIDIA tried to make a move higher. White candles here, better than a red candle, right? So we need to break through that resistance. Just remember, we do have a sell signal on NVIDIA on the daily time frame, okay? Meta, Facebook, all right, red candle here, buy signal here. So we have a sell signal, so we're out. Okay, so NVIDIA should be out. Meta, Facebook should be out. Amazon, all right. Amazon is holding firm so far. Buy signal here. And here we are holding support, all green candles there. Google right here. Buy signal here, holding firm. Microsoft. Microsoft gave a sell signal, guys. Okay, so sell signal came in. When was that? On Tuesday. Okay, so sell signal came in right here. As a matter of fact, could have gotten out on Monday on this red candle here. So buy signal here failed. Red candle. We should be out of Microsoft. Okay, and it is back within support and resistance here. So it's within a tight range here. So definitely we need to be out if you're trading on that daily time frame right here. Apple, let's take a look here. Apple, guys, right? Apple was performing really well, right? Moving nicely up that markup phase. Notice how things change quickly. Okay, so Apple, white candle, guys. Because we have a sell signal in the equity markets, we're going to call a sell signal on Apple. Okay, all right. So Apple sell signal. Keep that in mind. Tesla also gave a white candle today. And Tesla had been trading so well, right? So buy signal here, all right, 265. We're going to call a sell signal on Apple right here. Now, if Apple, boy, that's gone up quite a bit. I would say just leave it for now, all right? Even if buyers come back in, all right, we'll be done, okay? Bitcoin recovering, guys. Bitcoin, nice recovery from support right here, right? Nice bounce of support right here. All green candles coming in higher here, all right? Resistance is here. So Bitcoin is looking good on the daily time frame. I thought we got a sell signal. Let's do this. All right, let's read. Yeah, we got a sell signal. Never mind. All right, so we got a sell signal here on a break of support, as I thought. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal, we should be out of Bitcoin. Now, so on the daily time frame, And if we can break through resistance, probably up in this area here, we could get another buy signal. But for right now, we should be out. The dollar index keeps moving higher, right? We showed you the dollar index right here in the futures market on the daily time frame. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. 109, guys. Who would have thought? Remember, it has big support here at 100, 109. Really good for the dollar. Again, the only disappointment is that the dollar pair is not trading well on the smaller time frame. Pound yen, guys, a bit of a pullback here. So be aware of that in pound yen. We'll continue to watch pound yen. And remember, pound yen, you can use pound yen to track the majority of, well, I would say your yen pairs in general. But keep an eye on what's happening here. Remember, the yen pairs will follow the equity markets or vice versa, right? But I like to say the yen pairs will follow the equity market. So as stocks move lower, expect the yen pairs to move lower, okay? All right, so pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, Kiwi yen. Okay, so right now it's failing to break a near-term resistance right here. White candle came in. We look to see, all right, if we test that trend line again here. All right, let me improve this line. Yeah, hold on. So let's bring that right about here, right here. All right, so we'll see if as we come lower, if it can hold, excuse me, that upward trend line here. If it breaks through, then pound yen will be in trouble. Just know we've got big resistance here, guys. Big resistance here. And so far, we are not breaking through. We're trying to break through, but we haven't gotten past resistance here. So, and this is where sellers came in heavy before, here and here. So this is a big area here. So support, big macro, monthly time frame. Support is down here, resistance is here, okay? So just be aware of that, guys. All right, okay. Let's go to current positions in Monster Scalper, all right? Current positions in Monster Scalper. Now, we don't have a lot of positions in Monster Scalper. We'll look to add positions this evening, okay? We do have one long position in the yen pairs, okay? All right, and that's on the 240. So we might spend some time trying to find some opportunities in Monster Scalper, okay? So HKD, HKD JPY, hold on. All right, so HKD JPY, guys. All right, a buy signal here, red candle. I know it's hard to see here. Red candle here, so sell signal, so we should be out. HKD JPY. All right, so we need to find opportunities here. So currently no longs on the 60 and 240 in Monster Scalper. No shorts, okay? So we need to find some opportunities there, okay? All right, we'll do that this evening. On the daily time frame in Forex Dominator, we do have some trades going. Let's take a look here. And these are the dollar pairs. Yeah, we need to find some opportunities here. Okay. USD NOK. All right, buy signal here, guys. USD NOK. You guys see what's going on with the dollar pairs? Okay. The dollar index. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. There, USD NOK. USD DKK. All right, good job here. All right. I think Anthony sent out an alert on this here. Good job, Anthony. Right, for taking this trade. USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. Nice break, moving up nicely here on the daily time frame. Okay. USD SEK. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, breaking resistance here. All right, getting past, trying to get past new resistance. Let's bring this in here. New resistance levels right here. USD CNH. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely, getting past resistance here. Good price action, guys. Lots of pips with these trades. USD SGD, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, getting past resistance right here. That's USD SGD. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Buy signal here, guys, moving up nicely. Big macro trades. All right, support is here, resistance here. Here we are. Buy signal here, looking to break through that resistance here. Okay, dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD, buy signal here. Good price action. All right, we need to break through near-term resistance here. All yellow support and resistance. So follow your systems, okay? Your lines, your support and resistance lines, they're going to come in automatically. So you don't have to draw in your lines. So just follow, add to your positions, right, when you can, okay? USD SGD, buy signal here, good price action. Just be aware, proper support and resistance. So we're getting a bit overbought, but it is breaking out. So all green candles, let it run. USD HUF, not a great trade, guys. Buy signal here. All right, broke resistance, moving up nicely. Look at that. All right, all the way up here. Again, purple support and resistance. So getting a bit overbought, but just follow the price action. Follow your candles there. Okay, so nothing to change in Forex. Dominator, dollar pairs look really good. Okay. All right. Equity pair, equity trades, so stock trades. Let's go through Stock Boss. You guys know we've been trimming these alerts. Okay. So as the market moves lower, as these sectors, indexes give sell signals, we should be out of stocks, okay? All right, we're going to go through these. Oh, nice move. SUPV, guys, buy signal here at $8 and change. Broke through near-term resistance right here. Good job there. Next one. VUZI, buy signal here was at 143 or so, right there, 150 right here. Holding firm for now. All right, GBTG, white candle. So guys, remember, sell signals. If you get a white candle, we're going to close the trade. Okay, so GBTG, close that trade, please. MVST, holding. PRCH, that's holding for now. Oh, nice move. RGTI, that buy signal came in, what was that, 81 cents or so, guys? Good trade going, right? Look at that. That was almost 2,000%, right? Made a nice move higher at $20. Great trade here. RGTI, guys, amazing trade in here. All right, so buy signal, right at 81, right at $1, right around there, trading at $20. Good trade there, okay? Those are in Stock Boss small caps, but just remember, we have sell signals, guys, on the Russell, okay? Just notice we don't have a lot of stocks here. These were filled up, right? We only have a few now. Bull Master, so that's large caps. Stock Boss is small caps. Bull Master, large cap. So let's go through these. We're looking for white candle or red candles, white arrows to close the trade. So these are holding firm. Nice move here. GGAL, that's holding there. SLM is holding. EAT, nice move here on a down day too. GameStop is holding. Keep an eye on GameStop. TDS holding, CLS holding, KD is holding firm, Marvel Marvel is holding here. PEGA, white candle, purple support and resistance right here. So close the trade, okay? Don't take any chances with this. All right, RBRK, that's holding firm for right now. And then Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. We only have a few here, which is what we want. If this market sells off, really sells off aggressively, then you'll be light. Tesla, guys, gap down, white candle here today, so out. All right, so we should be out of Tesla here. White candle, gap down. SLM, that's holding. And Amazon for right now on the daily time frame. Remember, guys, these are on the daily time frame. If you're trading a different time frame, follow the same process, but on that time frame, okay? Okay, so we are very light with equities. If selling continues, we'll continue to trim positions, okay? All right. I want to take a quick look at Stock Boss Hit Seeker just to see. We're going to run it. We run 22,000 stocks. All right, 61. That's not bad for Stock Boss. Let's see Bullmaster. 27 for Bullmaster. That's not good. So they're definitely not buying large caps, okay, or mega caps. Small caps, I'm surprised we've got that many in Stock Boss. Let's see what they're buying. They're buying tech, mainly tech. I just want to see the price action there. Yes, small caps. It's holding. Let's take a second look at. The IWM. Yeah, buyers are not in IWM. That's interesting. We'll keep an eye on Stock Boss. They might be getting out of mega caps and trying to get into small caps. We'll keep an eye on tech here because that's 60. That's a lot for Stock Boss considering right now. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. Our US 30 traders, we did call it a buy signal, guys, a buy signal here, but almost that's on the 60-minute time frame. Almost a few hours later, sellers came in heavy, so we should be out, okay? Nothing here, so just be careful. Don't, very choppy, so just be careful with the E-minis. So the US 30, the NAS 100, all right, and the SP, okay? Very choppy. If you guys look here on that daily time frame, right, nothing much here, okay? We have support right here, resistance, not a lot there, okay? So just be careful. Our future system, let's see, we'll run it here and we'll come back to this. Let's run it. If I remember, we'll finish up with this. Now, Monster Scalper, let's find some opportunities, okay? It's a new year. Let's see if we can find some trades in Monster Scalper. We know the 60-minute has been funky. Let's see if we can find some opportunities, okay? All right, Aussie, New Zealand. All right. Now, on the 60-minute, it's gone a little bit. On the 60-minute, guys, broke resistance here. So this is just a breakout trade, okay? We don't have a markdown. We don't have a markup. All right, it's not reaccumulation, nothing like that. It's just a breakout trade, okay? So let's find some opportunities here. So this is where buyers failed before. Here, here, and here. Now we have a new buy signal, and we are clearing this area. Okay, the good news is we've given it a chance to kind of clear that area, moving higher, all green candles. So we're going to call that Aussie, AUD, NZD, long. All right, long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so buyers are coming in here. Guys, with these positions here, trade lightly. Okay, on the 240, we have a buy signal that came in here. All right, so buy signal came in here. We are breaking resistance right here. Buy signal here on the 240, we'll call that. Okay. So Aussie long on the 60 and the 240. Aussie New Zealand. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, buy signal. We are breaking resistance here. All right, breaking resistance here. Buy signal, and it is moving away. All right, so Aussie Swiss, AUD, CHF, long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. Buy signal came in on the 240. That's funky here. We'll wait. All right, Aussie CAD, no buy signal yet, okay, on Aussie CAD. But Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie Swiss, to set up. Wait on New Zealand, Swiss. Let's see the yen pairs. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. These yen pairs want to go short. Don't short them yet, though, guys. Wait. Unless you're doing a smaller time frame, okay? All right, no longs there. All right, the dollar pairs on the 60-minute. USD HUF looks good there. We might wait for the next rotation on these dollar pairs, okay? So we might let this first group run, okay? Let's see here. All right, we'll call this USD. It's gone. Let's see here. Let's wait on this one. That's tempting, though. You see how these are pulling back right now? Right? They're pulling back right now. That's the concern there. Okay, see, purpose support and resistance, we could get a pullback. All right, so we'll wait on these dollar pairs, okay? Wait on these dollar pairs. Let's take a look at the 240 here. So Aussie, New Zealand, we have a buy signal on the 240 there. Aussie, Swiss. On the 240, nothing here. The dollar pairs on the 240. All right, dollar ZAR, good trade here, guys. We missed this one, dollar ZAR. Yeah, keep going here. Nothing here. All right, USD SGD, we're going to call this one here. All right, USD SGD. Buy signal here, breaking resistance, getting past resistance here. That's reaccumulation, okay? We are on the daily. We do have it on the daily there, okay? So that looks good. So USD, SGD, long on the 240. And we will send those out, these alerts out to our monster scalper traders. USD SEK. USD SEK. Long on the 240. All right. Keep going. USD PLN long. USD PLN long on the 240. NOK, nothing there. MXN, nothing here. USD HUF, right? Nice break of resistance. Let's bring that up right here. Buy signal moving up nicely there. USD HUF. Long 240. All right. HKD, nothing here. DKK. All right. That one is breaking out also. All right. Buy signal here, breaking out. Red candles breaking out here. USD, DKK. Long 240. All right, so we've got some opportunities on the 240 there. All right, USD CZK. Did we call that one? So USD, it's breaking out here. See what they're doing here? That's good. USD CZK. Long on the 240. All right. USD CNH also buy signal here, breaking out. USD CNH long on the 240. All right. Dollar Swiss buy signal here, breaking out nicely there. Okay. So USD CHF long on the 240. Now, as the dollar index moves higher, guys, we could see these yen pairs move lower. Okay? All right. I know we took some longs on the 60 in here, but okay. All right. So we've got what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 about 8, 9 short long positions in the dollar pairs. That's good. Okay. All right. Let's look for some shorts. In the euro pairs, let's see here. Oh. We know how the euro pairs, guys, have been trading not well, right? So it has to be almost perfect. Pound shorts. All right, we'll hold off on those for now, okay? All right. Forex dominator long. I know we've got several of the dollar pairs. Let's just look. We haven't looked at these in a while for new opportunities. These are the yen pairs. Boy, they really want to go down. Dollar pairs. Dollar CAD, we've already called that one there. Let's look for new opportunities. Dollar Swiss, we've already called that one. CNH, called that one. CZK, we missed CZK, guys. Good trade going here. Can't trade them all. All right, we missed this one. CZK, good trade going there. HUF, we called that one already here. Those of you who've missed, let's say a trade like this, HUF, let's say you missed it right here on the daily time frame. You can always, let's bring in a 60-minute time frame. You can always look to catch it on a 60 or even a 30-minute. Okay, so rather than chasing it, look at that 30-minute here. Let's take a look at a 15-minute time frame here. So even if you've missed it, look at that. Great trading on that 15-minute. Even if you've missed it on the daily, if it's in a solid trend, it's solid in the markup phase, bring down that time frame, right? You can get some opportunities there. USD MXN. All right, so we can add that USD on the daily time frame here, guys. Buy signal came in here. All right, so USD MXN long on the 240. Okay. NOK, we're in that one already. PLN. PLN. We're not in PLN. I think we got out here. Red candle here. SEK, we're in that one. ZAR, I think we missed ZAR. Nothing here. Nothing here. But we got a few trades on the daily. Nothing here. Okay, so we've got two longs on the 60-minute. Okay, so we have Aussie, right? Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss looks good here. Aussie New Zealand, right? Aussie New Zealand looks good to break out. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, you've got to wait to get past resistance here to get a buy signal. The yen pairs all over the place. Go through the dollar pairs one more time just to make sure. Yeah, these dollar pairs are pulling back. Right, they need a nice pop today, but right now it looks like they want to pull back. See here? Right here. So, I just want to wait. If you missed this move, you're not in. Might want to wait for the next. See what's happening here? Might want to wait for the next trade on these on the 60-minute. You know, the 60 minutes hasn't been doing well. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone on. Let's bring this up here. I'll see everyone on Sunday. Okay. Traders should be back to work. Okay. So no more holidays. Right. A holiday is over. So traders should be back to work. So we should start seeing some more direction next week. If the equity markets continue to move lower, okay, we get a correction or just move lower, that will help Forex. We'll start to see some really good volatility in Forex. Okay, guys. All right. Thanks for coming. Few opportunities right now in Forex. That's fine. We know Forex will change quickly. Okay, so don't give up on Forex. As soon as you turn around, guess what? Forex is moving. But equities, a lot of work has to be done with equities. Okay, remember, we've gotten out of that buying season. Fourth quarter rally, Christmas rally, that's done for now. Okay, so just be careful there, and we'll look for Forex to improve. Okay, all right, guys. See everyone on Sunday. Thanks for